In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures as they're moving higher today. Crude futures trading higher 4 out of the last 5 sessions. Today we're looking at the futures market up about 2% currently at the 64.65 level, which is moving towards a 2-month high in the futures market as we continue to maintain upward momentum here for the past week. Driving factors today, a couple things influencing the market. Number one, discussions of China and U.S. continuing negotiations next week as far as trade tensions and trade situations. Viewed as a positive, and I think as a partial catalyst to why we're seeing increased pricing pressure in WTI, where in theory that would, if they're able to resolve something, that would lead to a potential pickup in global economic activity. Couple that with the Baker Hughes rig count release today showing a decline week over week of 9 active oil rigs. So we're seeing, I think it's the 5th or 6th week in a row now that we're seeing a decline in active oil rigs going back to the lowest level since 2021 of active rigs, so a 4-year low, as that trend continues to be realized. Now, you look at the gas rigs, we actually saw an increase of 5, so the net result was a decline of 4. But in the oil patch, 9 rigs coming off on a week-over-week basis. So I think that that's feeding into the idea that production is slowly declining here, potentially will decline as we see these active rigs coming offline. Looking at the general trends, with today's price action, we are seeing WTI trading up to a 2-month high and maintaining this upward momentum really for the better part of the last month or so after hitting those lows, I believe in May, where we did see those lows. We're continuing to see a series of higher highs and higher lows with today's price action continuing to maintain that upward price cycle. So we are seeing, again, that momentum continue to carry forward in the crude space. Natural gas is trading up today as well. We're seeing that up after a couple of days of selling pressure, and we're seeing that up about 3% on the day and moving back up towards the top end of the 2-week range. But when you look at WTI, continuing to maintain upward momentum and trading up to a 2-month high in today's session.